Hey guys, I just want to make sure you know how to check your grades. So on your home screen, you should be finished with Unit 2, beginning Unit 3 now. So if you'll go to your grades, you'll be able to see each individual unit. So here's Unit 1. This student doesn't really have any grades, so on Unit 2, I put in a few missing grades, just a few grades to show you how this works. So this is overall the percentage for this section. And then if you look for each individual assignment, it'll give you your score. If you see this hexagon, that means that I've marked it as missing. It was not done. Sometimes it's because you didn't do it. Note here, if something wasn't working right, we will tell you. So make sure you read these comments. If you don't read these comments, you're going to have a 0 or missing or incomplete for this course. Make sure you read these and then fix anything. If you revise anything late, make sure you email either Miss Brazier or I and tell us exactly what you did so we'll know to go back and grade it. Otherwise, we may not know to go back and grade it. So make sure you just let us know that you submitted it. We won't be able to grade it immediately, but we will be able to grade it. On the things with grading rubrics, if you'll click on them, they'll show you, what there are. And then if you'll go all the way over to the right side of the screen, if you did not get, my screencast is cutting off, if you did not get all the points, you'll be able to click on a comment or hover over it to see what you are missing. So take a minute to check your grades and let us know if you have any questions.